This closet seems like a scary place. There's all kinds of things. Folders. I've got some of my exercise things. And then down here, I've got boxes, a thing of photo albums, and oh, that's where that singing machine is. And foam roller there, another one here, all kinds of papers. By little, I'm removing everything from the closet. I'm getting there. First shelf, second shelf complete. Oh, in the corner we've got some mouse activity. Oh my God, I did it. Bottom, second, top, shelves empty. Uh-oh. Because now I've got my work cut out for me. Everything, I took that out of there pretty quick, is here, so. All right, please wish me luck as I organize all that back.
I am ready. Let's just put up the hair and let's get to it. Okay.
I feel all your wishes of luck, and I will do my best to organize all the stuff. Okay, where do I begin? Right here. There's 3 things here that are of the same type. So we're going to put them in a pile. I'll set them over here. All right, and then this is the same. We'll put it over here as well. And then, oh, here's something that needs to be in my yoga room so I can, if I choose to, give clients a massage with this. So we're going to put that over here. All right, this is quite amazing. This is all that I'm left with. Oh, and then my box of pictures, which I'll have to figure out. And now I've been sorting through all of our pictures. I found some pictures underneath the bed, took them out, put them in this basket. I'm going to carry them over there and merge them into the closet.
Now, the task of categorizing CDs. Organizing ease of access for my client handouts, reference materials, brain exercises, meditation resources, Zen mandala, art therapy book, creative website updates, my home study Sanskrit course, yoga marma point pages, happy feet book, and I have computer notes in here, Thai yoga, body work, massage therapies that I do for others, my exercise logs, acro yoga, and acro sage papers. I got hula hoop references, birth angel notes, hairstyle, braiding, and other step-by-step guides, plus my private password lists and a sleeping cat.
Everything's filed and we have a spot for it. Ta-da! William is working hard at putting in a shelf in the closet so I can these that I've all organized.
Good and strong.
Favorite taped up. Everything is in order. It feels so good. Ah.